Hey there. Welcome. I am really glad you are here. If you have ever wanted to learn programming but did not know where to start, this is the right place. My name is James, and over the next 50 minutes, I am going to walk you through Python from the very beginning. No rushing. No assuming you already know things. Just clear, step-by-step lessons you can follow at your own pace. So what is this course? It is called Python in 50 minutes. 10 lessons. Each one focused on a single concept. We start simple, really simple, and build up gradually. By the end, you will have written a real Python program from scratch. Something you built yourself. And that feeling is pretty great. Here is what we will cover together. Lesson 1: Your very first Python program. You will run actual code within the first few minutes. Lesson 2: Variables. How to store information so your program can remember things. Lesson 3: User input. How to make your program talk to the person using it. Lesson 4: Numbers and math. How Python handles calculations. Lesson 5: If statements. How your program makes decisions based on conditions. Lesson 6: Loops. How to repeat actions without writing the same thing over and over. Lesson 7: Lists. How to work with groups of data. Lesson 8: Functions. How to organize your code so it is clean and reusable. Lesson 9: Dictionaries. A powerful way to store and look up information. And Lesson 10: A mini project where you bring everything together and build a quiz game. Each lesson ends with a small challenge. Please do not skip those. They only take a few minutes, and doing them yourself, even if you get it wrong the first time, is how the learning actually sticks. You do not need any prior experience. You just need Python installed and Visual Studio Code open. If Python is not installed yet, go to python.org, download the latest version for your computer, and run the installer. On Windows, make sure to check the option that says Add Python to Path. On Mac, the installer will guide you through the setup. Once Python is installed, open a terminal and type Python version, or Python 3 version on Mac. If you see a version number, Python is ready. To run a Python program, create a file that ends in .py, write your code, save the file, then open the terminal in that folder and run Python filename .py. On Mac, you may use Python 3 filename.py. If you have that ready, take a breath. You are about to write your first line of code. Let's go.